Hello guys, welcome back in this our channel, The Catalyst. We are going to continue our lesson today, which is lesson 7, which talks about list and manipulation of list. Okay, when we talk of list, list is what we call array, for instance. Okay, so we are going to start by learning how to create a list. Okay, how to create a list, a one-dimensional array, or a list which is one-dimensional. Then we'll also learn how to assign values to a list and then print the list, as well as we'll learn how to do user input values to a list. That is, we'll learn how to input values in a list from the user. Okay, so without wasting time, we'll move to the example we're going to take. We'll write a program that sums up numbers found in a list. Okay, it means initially we are going to create the list with numbers inside, then we'll add them up and then print the result. So let's move to, we'll move to Python. This is a Python. In Python now, we'll create a list. Maybe we'll just call it list. Okay, and a list is represented by square brackets. So we have not given the size of the list or the array. Let's make it unlimited. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is, we said that we are supposed to initialize values in our array. Okay, let's just say these are the elements of our array. So this is our list initially. So how do we calculate the sum of this? So we'll start with I. For I we want to go through the elements of the list from the first to the last. So we'll put from I range. In range, we'll put ln. ln means the size. Is to find the length of the array. So by default, ln will now put inside the array or the list we want to look for. So now what we'll do is we also have to initially give a value for sum. Our variable sum initially should be 0. So each time it will go through the elements in the list and then take them one by one and sum them. So what we'll do is we'll say sum should be equals to sum plus the list at position I. As simple as that. Okay, and this can be represented in this other manner. Another way you could write that is simply sum plus equals to list at array position I, or list at position I. So it will sum each of those elements, and then at the end we have to print the sum. So we will put it this way. Sorry, maybe F format string. The sum is sum. Okay, so that's it. So let's run and see how it looks like. So it has given us the sum is 35.5. Is that true? 2 plus 7.5 is 9.5. Plus 14, that's 23.5. Plus 10 will give us 33.5. So correct. So we see that that is how we can sum up elements that are already found in an array. But now we can as well decide that, okay, we'll add the elements, we'll ask the user to be the one to add the elements, and then we'll sum up those numbers. Each time it is added, we add the number to the array. So that's just it. So to do that, I will change now. I will change it. Okay. So I want that initially there should be nothing inside the array, and that the user will be the one to input the values. Okay. So what do we do? How do we write this? Maybe I'll do let's say, okay, we want to enter 10 numbers in our array. We want to enter 10 numbers. So we will take, is it 10? Okay. So we want to enter 10 numbers. Or let's say 5. 10 will be too long. Let's say 5. We entered 5 numbers in our array. Then after that, we are going to print the sum of those numbers. Okay. So the first thing you do is we are going to create a variable called num that will take in a number. Since we want it to be a number, we may call it float, and then we do an input. Okay, an input where we say enter number I plus 1. Okay. So each time we prompt, and then now each time we get the number, we add it in the list. Okay. So to do that, we'll call the list. Okay. Dot append. Append is to add an element in a list. So what is the element we are adding? We will add num. Whatsoever we enter it as num, we add it. Okay. We add it to the list, and then we also want that sum. That number should be added to sum. Okay. The number that was just inserted should be added. This new number should be added to the list. Okay, so we do this. At the end, what we like to do also is that we'll print, first of all, we'll print the list. Okay, we print the list. The list is so yeah, we'll just print the list as it is. Okay, print the list, and then we'll also print the result, which is the sum of the numbers that were added. So let's see how it looks like. Oh, sorry, I did not format this. Sorry. Okay, it was not. So enter number 1. I will enter 12. Next will be 15.5. As you can see, I hope you can see from here. Those are the numbers I'm entering. Those are the numbers I'm entering. The next will be 17.5. The next will be 10. The last number 2. So we can see here it has printed the list is 12, 15.5, 17.5, then 2.0, and then the sum is 5.57.0. So it has done exactly what we needed for this exercise. Okay, so we'll now move back and check what we. Okay, so we did already what we were supposed to do. I don't know if we'll move to this one now. No, I think in our next class we'll see how to create other functions, the use of other functions. So with this, I think we'll call it a day and move to the next lesson. Thank you very much. And please remember to subscribe if you have not done yet. You have not done that, and make sure you share, you comment, and you like our videos. Thank you very much. See you in our next class.